Good morning, students. We are studying chapter Cell, the unit of life. And in this chapter, till now, we have studied about the types of cells, that there are two types of cells, prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cells do not have a well-defined nucleus because it is not surrounded by the nuclear membrane. Whereas if we talk about the eukaryotic cell, eu means advanced and karyo means nucleus, means eukaryotic cells have well-defined nucleus. And if we talk about the various organelles present in a cell, so a cell has cell membrane, that is also called as plasma membrane. Then in plant cells there is a special covering or external surrounding that is known as cell wall. Then nucleus is there. Cell is filled with cytoplasm, and cytoplasm has various cell organelles like mitochondria, Golgi bodies, endoplasmic reticulum, vacuoles, and all mesosomes, peroxisomes, ribosomes. So these are the various cell organelles present in the cell. Till now we have studied about the cell membrane also, which is also known as plasma membrane, and it is selectively permeable because it allows some of the substances to move in and out of the cells. Now today we will be continuing with the topic various cell organelles present in the eukaryotic cell, and the subtopic is cell wall. Cell wall is present only in plants. It is not present in animals. It is a non-living rigid structure and it forms the outer covering for the plasma membrane. Plasma membrane के externally ये present रहेगी and it is present in the fungi and plants. The function of this cell wall is to give shape to the cells and to protect the cell from the damage and infection. यानी बाहर से कोई भी infection, कोई भी microorganisms जो हैं they cannot enter into the cell because they have a special covering that is known as cell wall. Now this cell wall, it also helps in cell to cell interaction and it provides barrier to undesirable macromolecules. It will not allow the macromolecules which are not needed for the cell to enter in it. As we have studied that it is present in the cells of fungi and plants. So if we talk about the plants have various subdivisions, that is, and divisions like algae, then bryophyta, thallophytes, pteridophytes, and gymnosperms and angiosperms. So algae, that is also known as thallophyta, algae have cell walls and their cell wall is made of cellulose, galactans, mannans and minerals like calcium carbonate. Means कि algae जो है plant kingdom में आती है, it is one of the division of the plant kingdom and it has cell wall, and this cell wall is made of cellulose, galactans, mannans and some of the minerals like calcium carbonate. Whereas if we talk about the cell wall of the plants is made of cellulose, then hemicellulose, pectins and protein, and in the diagram also this structure is shown which is known as cell wall. And if we talk about its functioning and other subparts present in the cell wall, so cell wall, if the plant is young, then the cell wall is known as primary wall and its function is to help in the growth of the plant, or it is the capable of growing. As the plant matures, what happens, जो cell wall है ये क्या हो जाएगी, primary cell wall, it diminishes and a new cell wall is formed that is called as secondary wall, and that is formed inside towards the inner side. Then there is middle lamella. This middle lamella, it is mainly made of calcium pectate and it's, what is its function, middle lamella जो है different neighboring cells को glue करने के लिए, यानी उनको आपस में hold करके रखने में help करता है. Then cell wall and the middle lamella, they may have some of the connections that is known as plasmodesmata, और जो ये प्लाज्मोडेस्मेटा है ये सेल वॉल को मिडल लेयर के साथ, मिडल लेमिला के साथ कनेक्ट करते हैं ताकि जो है दे कैन एक्सचेंज द मटेरियल्स प्रेजेंट इन द साइटोप्लाज्म ऑफ द नेबरिंग सेल्स, की जो वहाँ पर सेल्स प्रेजेंट हैं उनको अगर आपस में कोई मटेरियल एक्सचेंज करना है, सो व्हाट विल हेल्प, प्लाज्मोडेस्मेटा. एज यू आर एबल टू सी इन द डायग्राम ऑल्सो, see these are the plasmodesmatal connections. So these plasmodesmatal connections जो हैं ये क्या करते हैं, They help in connecting the middle lamella and the cell membrane or the cell wall of the two different cells. Then next is endoplasmic reticulum.